I'll be installing these new LED lights that I got. I got these from AliExpress. I'm going to be installing them on a 2019 Toyota Corolla. These are a little special. They're a bit long. Sorry, I got a code. They're a bit long. But the good thing about these, they're variable LEDs. They can change color. I've already installed one to test it out. And to take these lights out, you're going to have to pull that tab, and there's a clip here. You're gonna have to kind of use a pry tool, and you're gonna have to get that clip out, pull it towards you, and then there's gonna be another one up here. I'm sorry if the angles are not that good, and you're gonna have to get that clip to come out. There you go. And you're just gonna have to wiggle it down. Actually, you could probably pull it out just like this. This should be fine. Just get your finger, pull the little LED out, and you're gonna just yank it out just like that. Get your new LED, and it's a bit hard to see. But essentially all I'm doing is just pulling it out and pushing it in. So let's see what we can do here. There we go. Pull that out. Make it easier. Okay, so there we go. Test it out. Doesn't work. Flip it around. Test it out. Works fine. Now we can use our remote control. Here we can change it to green color. I don't know if you can see that. It's a bit sunny. Let me dim it down for you guys, and then you can see it better. Okay. And that works. Side also, I can turn it on. Okay. Let's see what's going on here. There you go. Got them both running. We'll change them both to white. There you go. There we go. So to put this back, we're just gonna put it back just like this. We're gonna hook it onto that center pole. We're gonna push it all the way through till it clicks. There you go. Click, click. Okay, same thing for the other side. We're gonna push it through. Click. And there you go. Now we got this centerpiece here. It just goes right on. This part will give you some trouble on the first time that you take this off. But once you get it off, it should be easier to put it back on and off. And then there it goes. Okay, push the switch, test it out. We're running blue right now. Okay, let me put my cover on the front window, get it a little darker so you guys can see the difference. Hopefully this will get things a little clearer, what you can expect. Sorry if this video is coming out at a wrong angle. I'm just doing it on the fly, just so that I can show you guys right away what these lights would look like. And it's terrible today because I am parked on a hill. And okay, here we go. Door lights. Oh, sorry. Turn it on, turn it on. It's blue. Now we're going to change it to green. As you can see, it's green. Changing it to red. Changing it to orange. Oh, that doesn't really look like orange. Looks more like a green, something like that. And we can see the variable colors here. Purple, white. For now, I'll just keep it blue. I want it blue. My center dash light is blue, so keep that blue, keep this blue. Alright, there we go. So there it is. That's some variable LED lights with this remote control. I got this from AliExpress. Pretty cheap. They came with 4 light bulbs. I think it was about maybe $4 or something like that. And yeah, I'll keep the link in the description, and if you guys have any questions or you have any comments, just leave them down below. And if you could like and share and subscribe. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of next year, and hopefully you guys enjoy my video. I'll also be posting videos about some explanation of how you want to be a service writer if anyone is interested in that. Anyways, that's it for today, and I hope you like this video. Thank you.